My name is Dr. Lori Cayley. I'm a functional medicine practitioner, and I help women who have thyroid conditions to reverse their thyroid issues so that they can restore their health and experience optimal health and live happy, vibrant lives. So today I'm going to talk to you about chia seeds. Chia seeds are very healthy and are a great addition to your diet, especially if you have thyroid conditions, because they have a lot of fiber, protein, and they also have minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. So there's many different things that you can do with chia seeds. You can do something as simple as add a 1/4 cup of chia seeds to 4 cups of water, let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, and then you can add chopped fruit, squeeze lemon juice or squeeze lime juice on top of them. You can add them to salads. You can actually even use them as a substitute for eggs. So for 1 egg, you would take a tablespoon of chia seeds and put them in stir in 3 tablespoons of water. Today I'm going to show you how to make chia seed pudding. So I have organic coconut milk here. I have organic chia seeds. I have some honey just to sweeten it. You can also use molasses, and vanilla is great to season them too. I'm not going to add those here today though. And then I'm just going to top it with some strawberries and raspberries. You can use any kind of fruit. Blueberries, blackberries, whatever you like. So I'm taking a 1/4 cup of the coconut milk, and then just putting it in a jar because we're going to store it or refrigerate it. And then 2 tablespoons of the chia seeds. I'm going to season it with a little bit of honey. And as I said, vanilla is great to add in. Just a little bit of vanilla, but I don't have any today, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to top with my fruit, and then I'm just going to put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. You can leave it in there for 7 days. So it's a great snack. Okay, and then I'm just going to put the lid on it and get in the refrigerator. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I also have a free download for you, and the link is in the description of this video. That free ebook has a lot of ideas for you to reverse your thyroid condition.